Welcome to on another video lectures of SolidWorks in Hindi. Today I'm here to represent how to create the line in the AutoCAD. So stay on this video. Stay with me, guys. My name is Ashraf Parmar and welcome to SolidWorks in Hindi YouTube channel. So let's just get started. Okay, so here we are in the environments of the AutoCAD. So first of all, for making the lines, there are the so many commands available here, in which the one command is a line command. For making a line, you have to first click here on this buttons, that is a line button. So automatically this plus sign will be in front of you. For making the line, you have to select first points in which you want to draw a line. So first click on any points. Now you can go upward directions, you can go in the horizontal directions, or you can go left, right, down, anywhere. You can make the line in angles, in multiple angles, whatever the angles you want. Okay, so for making a line, you need to click on the second point. So suppose if if you go in the horizontal direction, then this green line will appear. It will it will trace the horizontal direction. If you go in this direction, the green line will appear on the upward side. This will track the 90-degree lines. If you go in this direction, that will take the 180-degree directions, and likewise in this direction it is 270-degree. So if you want to make this 0-degree line, then go in this direction and click on the another points. Okay, so for making suppose if I want to draw an 50 horizontal line, so how can I draw that? So first of all, click on this line, click on the first point, go in this direction and write 50 and give the enter. So the 50 line is ready. For going outside from line command, click on the escape button or press the enter. So this is the 50 dimensions line. Okay, suppose if you want to draw the vertical line, then click on the first point, go in the upper direction, give the suppose 100 line, so give the 100 digit and enter. So this is the 100 line. For going outside, click enter. Okay, so this is a simple line command. If you want to draw an 45-degree line, so how can you draw that? So click on the line, click on the first point wherever you want to draw line, go here, give the dimension. Suppose I want to create an 75 length of my line, and it is at the 45-degree with the horizontal, then give 75 then press tab button on the keyboard. Okay, so it will be automatically gone into the uh, another tab in which you have to give an angle. Suppose if I want to give the 45-degree angle, so I will write 45 and then press the enter. So at the 75 45-degree line will be created with the horizontal line. If you want to draw an horizontal line, click on the line, click on this point and go in this direction and give the another point. So this angle, the angle between these two lines is 45-degree. This is the simple logic for making any lines. Okay, so this is the simple line tutorial in the AutoCAD. The shortcut key for making a line is L, then press the enter, or press the space bar. Suppose L, enter. So automatically line command will appear in front of you, and then you can also make the line. You can also able to make an line in whatever the direction do you want to make it the line, but the shortcut key is L enter. So this is the simple line command in the AutoCAD.